We are over the snow. We need to get out of here, take a break. So
There's another snowstorm coming tomorrow.
today is super exciting. We are heading into town right now because our lumber is being delivered today.
Subscribe and come along as we take a quick vacation that leads up to our lumber delivery.
You guys, is it ever gonna stop snowing? Is it ever? The forecast was showing like there's gonna be a little bit of snow, a couple inches, and then woke up this morning and there's like 8 to 10 inches of snow on the ground. And it's supposed to snow all day. I mean, the skies are kind of opening up actually, so maybe it'll stop. Goodness. We're supposed to be building right now. At this rate, we're gonna build in June. It's just, anyway, we are over the snow. We need to get out of here, take a break. So we're gonna head to the dunes. If you've been watching us for a while, you know we have like a brand new Can-Am. We've been to the dunes a few times. We've recorded a little bit of it. So we're gonna go down into Vegas, grab our Can-Am, grab our truck, grab our toy hauler, and we're gonna go have some fun for a few days, get out of this snow, a little bit of warmth, wear some shorts, hang out with some friends, just get a little bit of a break for a few days because we're over it. But not to complain or anything. When you live in it every day for 6-8 months and it's just like you're ready for a break, you know? So we got the 4Runner all loaded up with everything, probably too much loaded. It's completely packed. We're gonna head down into town, grab the truck, and then we're heading out of here. And we're gonna take you guys with us for a little bit of it and show you what we like to do.
Mom, for the camera, Charlie boy. Charlie boy.
Well, I decided to throw some Vans on instead of putting my snow boots on, which was probably a bad idea, but I didn't want to pack more than we needed to. I appreciate Nick so very much because he is now cleaning the snow off of the solar panels right now so that hopefully the sun will shine down on them and we won't drain our batteries completely. I put it in time lapse and it makes it look so easy and so fast. But really, I'm sure you are freezing your butt off right now.
Yes, I am.
Thank you for all that you do, my love. We appreciate you.
To Grammy's house, we loaded up the Can-Am, we did laundry, whatever else we were doing.
We had to wash the sheets for the...
Filled up the water in the toy hauler. Everything's ready to go, and now we are headed out. We're gonna stop and get gas though, but we're headed out. We're gonna meet our friend Josie, and we are headed to the dunes. We got about an hour and 30 minute drive, and then we will be there, and I'm excited.
It's the last weekend.
Yippee!
So is Baba. Baba, how excited are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine?
Yeah.
He's bouncing off the walls the last hour waiting to go.
I know.
So was I.
All right,
Off the walls.
let's do it. Let's get out of the snow and go head to the sand.
Speed it up, speed it up, speed it up, speed it up. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy.
But you still won't know, so. Shake it up.
Yeah, feel me? You feel me? No cash on me. Swipe for a milli, yeah. Feel me? You feel me? Walk in the door, shake up the building, yeah.
All right, guys, we had an awesome time in Dumont.
We did. Such really good rides, really good
Needed
family
rest.
friends. Yeah, some much needed, like
Maybe not rest, but like fun.
extreme,
Yeah.
like adrenaline pumping, good time.
Because we're heading back up to the property, get back to work, everything else we got going on.
Yes, yes. We did get some sun, we got some vitamin D, we got a little bit of tint to our color now. We are ready to head back up to the snow. Another snowstorm coming tomorrow, so.
Good morning, guys. We are back up at the property. It's cold. It got to like 15 degrees last night. It's freezing right now. Anyway, we had a good time at the dunes with our friends. It was nice to get some vitamin D, hang out with family and friends, and just let loose a little bit, get out of the snow. But now it's back to business today anyway. We have more plans in the very near future to go do some other stuff. Anyway, today is super exciting. We are heading into town right now because our lumber is being delivered today. Obviously, they're not coming up here because it's snow and there's mud, and I mean, it's frozen right now. They could probably make it up. So our friend Larry has a yard in town. He is going to let us just keep all of our lumber there, and then we'll just truck it up or trailer it up when it gets a little nicer and we get to that point, which hopefully the forecast is showing sun for the next 7-8 days in the 60s. It's gonna be a muddy pit the next couple weeks. Hopefully that's a means to an end and this snow will be gone. So we're gonna head down into town right now. We're gonna meet the truck, start unloading everything. I'm super stoked to see all this lumber. That's just one step closer for us getting out of this trailer and getting into this apartment.
I will say another huge lifestyle change is in Las Vegas, we used to get our cars cleaned probably like once a week, every other week at the latest. We would take them down to the gym and they'd wash them there, or we would like have somebody come over and like detail them down really fast. Could you imagine if someone walked up and saw this car and they were like, no, never ever would I clean this car. The mud that's caked on here is just crazy to me. When we go and down to the car wash to take the mud off of this car, we literally probably spend almost close to half an hour to an hour trying to get the mud off, right, babe?
Yeah, it's a long time. It takes a while. Like, it's not the mud that comes off super easy. It's like caked on there and it doesn't want to come off, and it's like clay.
It's like a clay.
Oh, and it's stuck in the wheel wells, so it kind of like rubs a little bit. It's definitely a different experience with all this mud, but
Yeah.
we're hoping winter will be different. Like, we won't have to make so many trips into town. We'll have more of like an established place to live and food storage and like all this stuff, so that if we have to stay up here during the muddy times, we can, and just go in the mornings and come back in the mornings or whatever, just to make it not as muddy, because this is probably not the best thing for these vehicles.
Yeah.
For sure. Mud destroys
We'll
things.
definitely have to do like a big, huge spring cleaning, but it'll probably be more towards summer cleaning of our vehicles. And
Absolutely.
maintenance them mostly.
Which hopefully is very soon because there's no snow on the forecast for as far as I can see.
But it could be an
It was
April
supposed
Fool's
to snow.
joke.
It was supposed to snow last night, and it snowed pretty much nothing.
I don't know. It either dusted or the wind pushed whatever snow it was around. But let's get down the mountain. Jeez
We're
Louise.
sitting at our grocery store parking lot waiting for this truck to get here with all of our lumber, and we thought, why not get some donuts? I mean, I thought that.
You are getting some donuts. This lady does not need a donut right now.
Anyways, hopefully they'll be here in a few minutes. I'm excited to see this truck. What about you?
I am too. Like, just when it pulls up, it's like, oh, that's my future.
So we're gonna hang out here and wait for them, and hopefully we don't have to wait long.
Out of breath there. Were you chasing down a semi?
Yeah, yeah. So you see, there's a ton of lumber on there. That's exciting. Yeah, it would be easier for me to not try to do that.
It's gonna be a great morning. Lumber has arrived. We're hanging out with Larry. Everybody loves Larry. We're gonna put it at his. Yes, everybody loves Larry, and we're gonna put it at his yard. So let's get this unpacked, put into the yard.
I woke up this morning and looked at like the gust. The highest gust is 33 miles.
How many lumber companies do you think we were?
Probably like 5 or 6, and then they were the closest and the most inexpensive, I guess. The best deal. It was really easy to work with them, and we got it in like a week, so it's here. It is freaking cold.
This is so cold. I should have worn my bibs. I've been trying to hang them up so that we don't wear them anymore, saying that winter's over.
He's unstrapping everything, and we're about to load all this stuff in here. There's a lot more than I thought it was going to be. That's our apartment garage right there.
Receipt. Are you able to track what's coming through?
I'm trying. My hands are frozen.
Thank you, Mason. All right, so now that your house is here, what do you think?
Is it springtime yet? Can we build yet? No, I'm just ready to start. Like, this is an awesome day.
This is a beautiful day.
Super awesome day, and I'm super excited. I'm excited to build. I'm excited to get in it. I'm excited to frame it and lift up walls and all that stuff. It's all going to be a good time. What about you? Are you excited?
Oh, I think I'm beyond excited. Like, being able to have a full kitchen and like a full-size bathroom with a couple kids is gonna be like a dream come true.
Wow.
That's what I'm more worried about, is the kitchen and the bathroom.
We'll get it. We'll get it done. Oh, I'm excited. I feel like I've said excited about 37 times in the last 2 minutes, but
You should.
yeah, overwhelmed a little bit.
All right, so what's the next step? We just gotta wait for the snow to melt and
Yeah, which
get a
is-
concrete truck up there.
Like I was saying earlier, the forecast is showing nothing but sun for the next 8 days, and it's going to be in like the 60s. Hoping when we get back that everything will be fine. You guys don't know, we're headed somewhere tomorrow. It'll be on the next video. We're going to go hang out with a bunch of friends, do some fun stuff.
And even collab with a few of the Utah channels.
For sure, we're going to go hang out with Trent and Allie, and there's some others that you guys probably know. You'll see soon. Well, that was a successful lumber drop-off. Say it 37 times, I'll say it again. I'm super excited.
Yes. Big thank you to Larry for helping us out, and Burton Lumber. We're excited to work with you guys, and our lumber package is here, so that's really, really
Exciting.
amazing.
Anyway, that's
exciting for the 100th time.
that's what we're gonna end this video for you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. We'll see you guys in a few days on our next adventure.
Yeah.